Good day, sir. Today, I will explain the difference between procedural programming and object-oriented programming using a Venn diagram to clearly show their differences and similarities. So, let's start with procedural programming or PP, which we can place on the left side of the Venn diagram. Procedural programming focuses on step-by-step instructions, also called procedures or functions. The program is divided into smaller parts and each part performs a specific task. In this paradigm, data and functions are separate, meaning the data can be accessed and changed easily. Because of this, procedural programming is simple and easy to understand, especially for beginners. Examples of languages that use this paradigm include C and Pascal. So now let us move on to the right side of the Venn diagram, which represents object-oriented programming or OOP. OOP focuses on objects which combine both data and functions into one unit called class. The paradigm uses important concepts such as encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstractions. Because data is protected inside objects, OOP is considered more secure and organized. It is commonly used in large and complex programs. Example of OOP languages include Java, C++, and C Sharp. Next, let us look at the middle part of the Venn diagram where PP and OOP overlap. Both programming paradigms are used to solve problems and create software applications. They both use variables, loops, conditions, and functions. Also, both follow logical thinking and require proper planning to make a program work correctly. In summary, procedural programming is focused on procedures and step-by-step execution. It's like cooking a dish, um, while object-oriented programming is focused on objects and data organization. They are different in structure and approach, but they share the same goal, which is to develop efficient and functional programs. Thank you, sir.